Here are the pictures of the patients who I personally know. Permission was asked to take pictures and be included in this presentation. Ito pong first is my classmate in medicine. She is presently a pediatrician from Laguna. She was 52-year-old in 2021, diagnosed with ovarian cancer, stage 3C. Histopath signed out as clear cell carcinoma. Minsan po naririnig natin, di ba? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Wow, stage 3 na grabe. Stage 4. Ang doktor po ang nagsasabi niyan, dinedepend po yan sa size ng bukol, kung saan na kumalat, gaano kalaki, ganong na-affect mga lymph nodes, meron pong basis, no? So 3C, hindi pa po, naka-confine pa po dun sa mga tabi-tabi ng ovaries, no? Pag 4 po, meron ng malalayo, yung mga kunwari may brain metastasis or meron sa bone metastasis. So stage 3C, her histopath signed out as clear cell carcinoma. Radiation therapy was done and chemotherapy. Pero bago po niyan ay 2 weeks before her therapy, nakipagkita po ako sa kanya sa St. Pio, dito po sa Eastwood. I gave her 1 box of Hemohim and I told her to continue to buy. She's an Atomy member pero consumer lang po siya ng Hemohim. And nagdo-donate din siya sa mga ibang cancer patients who cannot afford to buy Hemohim. And during her chemotherapy and radiation, ang napansin po niya, siya lang po ang walang side effects. No vomiting, no nausea, no muscle fatigue, and she can do the usual things every day. While others, nako-confine pa po kasi nga, sobra yung vomiting, sobrang hirap ng katawan. Plus, hindi po siya nagkakasakit because maganda yung immune system niya. Because when you are in chemotherapy and radiation therapy, this renders you immunocompromised. Parati kang madaling mahawa. So sometimes cancer patients don't die of cancer. They die of infection, pneumonia. Kasi nga, it renders them immunocompromised. So Hemohim does not only kills your cancer, it also builds you up. It builds up your immune system para kayanin mo ang chemo and radiation. Sometimes yung body po ang sumusuko because sa lakas ng gamot, ng chemo at radiation, yung pong person ang hindi may kaya eh. Kaya hindi rin natatapos. But with Hemohim, together with chemo and radiation, perfect combination. Ngayon po, nag-travel na siya. She has gone, she's cancer-free. She has gone through 2 PET scans and her CA-125 has remained low. Yun po ang tumor markers for ovarian CA. And she has been cancer-free for the past 8 months.